दरख्वास्त करो ऐसे लोगों से, आइए प्लीज विनम्रता से आ जाइए
प्लीज आ जाना हमारी पिक्चर देखने, प्लीज बस आ जाना.
But even in horror
And
comedy,
that's a-
like Stree has more comedy than,
Correct,
in the sense
correct.
the humor of what Raj and all have done. The
Yeah.
humor is so important, otherwise the horror will not work as much, I feel.
Yeah.
But yeah, sorry, I cut you off.
Yeah, I have been her biggest fan since I was a child, right? Like जब वो राजा हिंदुस्तानी आई थी ना, that little red dress with that hat, I had thought when I was a child that you have to buy me that outfit. So I am.
पूछो
Yeah.
मुझे क्या हुआ है? Hi, my name is Monica and today we are here with Arjun Kapoor and Bhumi Pednekar. But उससे पहले I want to ask, what is it about the Kaleshi content, comedy of errors जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है? What is it about this film that excited you the most?
I mean, I think जब किसी के लाइफ में कुछ सीरियस होता है और आप उस पर हंस सकते हैं, in the sense you are doing something as characters, आप seriously किसी situation में फंसे हो, but the third person of the audience sees it and laughs at it. I think that's the most entertaining kind of films to have, you know, where actors are not trying to make you laugh. They are actually reacting to the situation, but you're finding it funny. And real life में भी वो होता है. कितनी बार you're stuck in a situation where we both might be in a situation, but you'll find it really funny and laugh at it. So I think वह कलेश की बात करें या ये chaos की बात करें, तो real life में ऐसे बहुत moments होते हैं which are funny. Why not put them on the big screen? And
Yeah.
we as audience always like laughing at others. It's something that we all enjoy. You know, जब हम पे पड़ती है तो फटती है, लेकिन जब दूसरों पे बीतती है तो we always end up enjoying it.
Yeah, you tell me.
The fun part of
Yeah.
all the Kalesh.
Yeah.
I think, firstly, we were all friends working together, right?
Yeah.
So there was a lot of fun Kalesh that happened on set as well, like a lot.
Yeah.
And that energy kind of was picked up while we were shooting the film as well. And I think it's the banter between all the characters.
Yeah.
You know, Jo Rakul is the character that Rakul plays. She's called Antara, who believes that, you know, you should live and let live. You should give space and freedom in a relationship. And my character, Prableen, is the exact opposite. She's like, no, if you live and let live, he will go live and let live with somebody else. You know, so it's like the clash of two ideologies, and we both are constantly going at each other. We are actually like the red flags, and Arjun's the green flag in the film.
Thank you for that. I'll take it.
And I feel a lot of
High time.
But you are a green flag.
But it's high time somebody else says it. Man.
I think you're a green flag in life also.
Chalo,
But
fine.
we'll get to that later. Arjun, you should have said the best part about this film was working with Bhumi and Rakul.
As Bhumi said, the best part about working with this film was working with Bhumi and Rakul.
But I think the dynamic on set must be so much fun because I think most of the comedies is all about timing. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो improv कितना करने मिला होगा ना, because not everything is on script. I had seen one interview of Akshay Kumar where he said कि a lot of things you cannot write it.
Yeah.
ये improv में believe होता है. So what do you think? What was the fun part about like working on such
So I think
moments?
she's worked with Mudassar before, so she
Yeah.
has a comfort with him, and he also knows her strengths, and he
Yeah.
knew that she responds a certain way to comedy. She's very good with comedy. अगर
Yeah.
आप गोविंदा नाम मेरा भी देख लो, she's got timing, so and she's very good with expressions. So it also depends हर actor की क्या strength होती है. Akshay sir I think is very very strong with improvisation. Here we had Harsh, who's a stand-up comedian, so by nature his wit is there. So I think it takes a director to decide कहाँ पे ज़रूरी है stand-up, अब कहाँ पे ज़रूरी है where you use the improv, कहाँ पे you stick to the script. And Mudassar that way is a very sharp director, you know. I really respect him for that. So he's used all our strengths well. Also I think क्या होता है, अक्षय सर अगर भागम भाग करे, वहाँ पे कैरेक्टर के अंदर आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे अंकुर चड्डा शायद वो सब नहीं कर सकता. So he is that director that can remind you कि यार भूमि तू ये कर सकती है, प्रबलीन ऐसी है. But Arjun, you have to be the person that allows the comedy to happen and react to it. So it's specific. I know technical है, लेकिन improv I think मैं off camera बहुत ज़्यादा करता हूँ.
Which I have seen over the years. Yeah.
He's very funny, very, very.
पर इस फिल्म में I have enjoyed being the person who's reacting to this chaos because एक straight आदमी नहीं होगा, straight character नहीं होगा तो humor work नहीं करता. So I think she was very good with comedy in general. I feel something that's very understated ना, comedy हमेशा बोल के नहीं होती. Face also, like the way she does the bishkyao in the trailer. You know, there's humor can be created in so many ways, and improv, of course, is the straightaway go-to. But credit to our director that he's used his actors really well. So we all had our chances. मुझे बहुत कम improv. अभी dubbing में मैंने एक दो लाइनें डाल दी.
But like in the trailer, that line, the Sheila Jeet line and all.
हाँ मतलब वो लाइन मैंने एक्चुअली मुदस्सर सर को बोला था कि ये लाइन नहीं, बट अभी वो थोड़ी ना बोलने
मैंने तो बोला कल, मैंने कहा कि मैंने तो बहुत I've done इतनी अच्छाई of yours yesterday.
Yeah. Oh my God.
बताओ.
It was non-stop. I was like, wow. That's a
क्या
long
ना-
friendship
क्या
also
है
you
ना,
guys
लोग
have for
सोचेंगे
many
कि हम
years.
लोग बस एक दूसरे की तारीफ करते
क्यों नहीं करे यार, हम क्यों नहीं करे एक
But
दूसरे की
no,
तारीफ?
thank you. हाँ यार ठीक है, that's part and parcel of
Yeah.
making a film. She's
Yeah.
given improvisation, she's added to the character. I've added to the film. मुझे process बहुत पसंद है जहाँ पे we can all come together and say यार
collaborative, yeah.
film के लिए क्या better कर सकते हैं. तो thank you for saying it. I'm not the kind of person who likes to flaunt
Brag
that. But
about
yeah,
it,
there are a
yeah.
couple of things that Mudassar liked what I suggested and he's used that one moment of तेरे में ऐसा क्या है
Yeah.
कि हमको एक नहीं मिलती तुझे दो मिल गई. So that was something that me and he came up with
Yeah.
together. Yeah.
But since you were talking about this, because the humor is very self-aware. कि अब jokes भी है ना, तो you're self-aware about it. It's
Yeah.
like it's the undercurrent of the story is that. But how does one take? Not everyone can take that joke on themselves.
But I'm not everyone, so I'm pretty sorted in my head. Yeah.
He's so smooth with his life.
Very,
He's
very.
so smooth.
I
about
told you
this.
he's very, very witty. So I can
Yeah.
only imagine like set पे जब हम shoot कर रहे होते, like I could see Arjun like मैं ये बोल देता हूँ, but you know उसके character के दायरे में वो चीजें नहीं बोल सकता था, but I could see it.
Yeah.
Like you know he's
This
like
is urge to say something. Yeah.
Yeah.
But like over the years, there's been so many comedies. I have grown up with the 90s comedies and all. A lot of people are saying it's very closer to Karishma Kapoor in being number one. So like, what do you think about that?
What do you think about it?
Listen, yeah, I have been her biggest fan since I was a child, right? Like जब वो राजा हिंदुस्तानी आई थी ना, that little red dress with that hat, I had fought when I was a child that you have to buy me that outfit. So I
पूछो जरा,
am,
पूछो
yeah.
मुझे क्या हुआ है?
And see, for us, this film in many ways is
Yeah.
an ode to cinema from
Yeah.
then, right? David Sir की फिल्में, you know, जहाँ पे भरी पूरी फिल्में होती थी with family and songs and tons of comedy and like, you know, women also doing comedy. So for us, मेरे husband की बीवी is exactly that and I love Karishma ma'am. So
Yeah, because since you were talking about David, I was like, उस time पे ना the ensemble cast was so dynamic, and because you need that ensemble cast to support the lead cast constantly, especially with some
100%.
comedy. What do you think about this film, and particularly the ensemble cast in this film, brings to the table?
I feel we have Shakti sir, Mukesh Rishi ji, Anita Raj ma'am, Dino. Is there anybody?
Tiku Talsani,
Tiku
who
sir.
I shot with more.
Yeah. And because जब मैं उनके साथ शूट कर रही थी मैं सदमे में थी हॉस्पिटल में जहाँ पे हमें देखते so you know even if you see जो सुर है ना इस फिल्म का जैसी चीजें हैं कि उसकी याददाश्त चली गई है उसको सदमा नहीं होना चाहिए it's a very modern take on those tropes that we had and we really enjoyed you know growing up so I feel like this like our film is a very I wouldn't say Gen Z because none of us are clearly Gen Z but like a very
Gone are the days.
आज के ज़माने का take on what complicated relationships can be like and how you can find humor in it.
ये बहुत पुराने खिलाड़ी है यार ये सब जो कॉमेडी करते हैं आई थिंक व्हेन यू लुक एट द ensemble most of the big films that do well every character is important in the casting and they all contribute even in that one scene or that one line you know you can remember a character just for doing one small thing like I remember नो एंट्री जैसी फिल्म में भी दिनेश हिंगू सर बेल बॉय बने और वो पूरी पिक्चर में बट ही इज जस्ट स्टेयरिंग कि अरे यार ये दो लड़कियों के साथ गए थे और ये इसके साथ आ रहा है इवन दैट मच लाइक टीकू सर इन आवर फिल्म यू नो ही इज प्लेइंग अ डॉक्टर ही कम्स इन एट अ सर्टेन पॉइंट comedy is a very tough thing to pull off you know and they are so good at it I think it's perhaps arguably as an actor I can say when you're working in an ensemble one actor that doesn't get the sur can destroy the scene
Yeah, so
अगर आप ड्रामा कर रहे हो ना तो फिर भी आपके पास कैमरा की मूवमेंट है साइलेंसेस है डायरेक्टर कैन फ्रेम यू दे कैन कट टू द अदर एक्टर इफ दे वांट टू प्रोटेक्ट द फैक्ट दैट द लाइन वाज नॉट लैंडिंग द व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अदर इमोशंस ना देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ क्राफ्ट दैट कैन थोड़ा आपको बचा सकती है कॉमेडी ना थोड़ी नंगी जगह है जहाँ पे आपको आप नहीं करोगे ना बाकी सीन भी सफर होता है everybody has to be alert on point and that's where these actors have survived for so many years because even if they come in for a day's work they are so on the ball that they make you raise your game saying shit इनको तो पूरी फिल्म की नरेशन भी ना मिली हो इनको तो सिर्फ सीन का कॉन्टेक्स्ट पता हो बट वो आके कुछ करके जाते हैं लाइक every day when we were working all of these actors just needed a small brief and they used to be on point giving something or the other फिर वो डायरेक्टर पे वो लेके नहीं but they are all very aware and switched on so I loved working with an ensemble that is still hungry to meet them at this point in their life where they can perhaps be just phoning it in. I think when you do comedy, and that's why credit to the Rajpal Yadavs of this world, Paresh sir, they're just fantastic actors. When they're doing comedy, they're so switched on, they elevate the other actors.
Yeah.
True. Do you think that we've been craving big screen comedies for a while?
Yes.
Because if there's not
Definitely.
enough
Yes.
movies on screen, I know आपको मिल
Absolutely.
जाता है, but I don't think sitting at home and watching it alone gives same
कॉमेडी का
impact.
मजा ही कम्युनिटी व्यूइंग में
Correct,
है ना, and we've not had many of those films, and you know, especially a comedy like this. Yes, horror comedies have done
Yeah.
tremendously
But even
well,
in horror
and
comedies,
that's a
like Stree has more comedy than,
Correct,
in the
correct,
sense the humor of what Raj and all have done. The
Yeah.
humor is so important, otherwise the horror will not work as much, I feel.
Yeah.
But yeah, sorry, I cut you off. You were
yeah.
saying.
No, exactly this only actually, that you know, family comedies where you see so many characters, mamiya, chachiya, mausiya, and you know, the confusion that happens, and you know, everybody is just like operating on a different vibration, and those comedies you don't see anymore. You don't see a lot of
Lot
those.
of
So yeah,
Two
I
things
think,
I'm not seeing often is one is rom-coms and one is comedies, because I feel like I'm a fanatic of rom-coms. I will watch it in any language.
same.
So there is that.
What's happened, I guess, is because of the way the platforms are. You at home will not laugh as much on things.
Correct.
आप अकेले बैठ के ज़्यादा जोर से नहीं हंसते हो. You'll smile or you'll chuckle.
Yeah.
So actually the intense worlds are more interesting because आप अपने घर पे अकेले वो देखना चालू कर सकते हो. पहले क्या होता था, हम सिटकॉम्स बहुत देखते थे. फ्रेंड्स आता था, साइनफेल्ड था,
New Girl, I used to
30
enjoy
Rock,
a lot,
Big Bang
yeah.
Theory. These were, I think, in our generation, we had the last fading generation of sitcoms. This generation has not had so much of humor in the tonality of material. So even the people who are writing are not used to writing too
Correct.
much humor.
Yeah,
It's always come from a very hardened place of society or a different take on society. So it also depends the generation of writers and directors now and the material that is being consumed. That's not to say कि comedy की दुनिया नहीं है, लेकिन वो दुनिया I think क्या हो गया, because of platforms and because of home viewing rising, people are sort of alienated comedies a little bit in comparison. But I feel this kind of film coming in, God willing it does well, it will also allow more people to say, okay, let's make another comedy or two. वरना गिन चुन के पिछला साल I think मडगांव आई थी.
cycles होते हैं.
एक था, and I think खेल खेल में, but it ended up doing really well on streaming
Yeah,
also.
so Khel Khel, but like for me, I remember Madgaon Express. Stree had great humor. Khel Khel में of course was funny. So I guess थोड़ा थोड़ा करके, like she's saying, it's like a movement, you know. अभी चालू करेंगे 2-3 साल बाद आपको suddenly दिखेगा और सारी comedies हैं.
Yeah, that's true.
Because you know, yesterday, like we were talking about, imagine a world where there are only action films and only like these magnum opuses. For an audience like me, I would never.
I need a variety,
I
yeah.
100%, because I'm not necessarily an audience for that, right? As like you, I love rom-coms, I love comedies, and we know like so many women and girls that love so. But anyways,
If you go to, when you watch this film and hopefully you'll enjoy it, the thing is, इसमें वो सारे flavors है. There is the rom-com flavor is also in the film. Because the romances of both the characters that I share screen with her and Rakul's character, उसमें genuine romance है. इसीलिए comedy ज़्यादा आपको effective लगती है. So there is that emotion and that romance also in this film. Of course, it's a comedy with all that.
Yeah. I have to wrap up, but before that, I have few questions I would genuinely want to ask. If you had to sum up the chaos of this film in 2 words, what would that be?
Siapa.
Kalesh.
See, what's a love triangle movie that you've enjoyed the most in the past? हमारे हिंदी सिनेमा से.
I would say Kal Ho Na Ho.
I worked on Kal Ho Na Ho, so I'll say Kal Ho Na Ho also.
Wow,
It's
so
too
biased
good.
about things.
Unmatched.
I'll tell you what, like I loved Sajan Chale Sasural.
Yes.
And I do think that imagine if Bhumi's character said, "Tum to bade dhokebaaz ho," because like she does have a moment.
So it does step.
Yeah.
This film, I think, is created. Mudassar created this film from that germ only of Sajan Chale Sasural and Judai.
Right. Because there's like because I had asked this question yesterday also to her, but what if you were stuck in an elevator with your ex-pyar and current Dildar, because the film's
She would
motives
manage fine.
I said I'll pretend like I've
Yeah.
forgotten.
She's
My memory
she's going
loss,
through the same
retrograde amnesia हो गया मुझे.
भूमि ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन नहीं है जो मैनेज नहीं कर सकती. Because half the time भूमि को ये पता नहीं कि वो सिचुएशन में है.
Just stop it.
Imagine like how like the memory loss आपको immediately हो रहा है.
मेमोरी लॉस नहीं, उनको अवेयरनेस ही नहीं होगी कि ये मेरा करंट है, वो मेरा एक्स है. शील बी बिजी ऑन द फोन
Arjun, people
चेकिंग.
will think I'm cuckoo.
नहीं, व्हाट इज दैट थिंग?
Stop it.
चलो सच नहीं बोलेंगे आप. काट देंगे.
Stop it.
Like
It's actually the casting is very apt for a reason.
Oh my God. See, I know this is what long-term friendships are like because like one can say something like this.
नहीं, मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ। ये कोई मेथड एक्टर नहीं है भाई। हमको जो मिली करेक्ट थी, कास्ट कर दी। हमने बोला ये सुबह आके इसको बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा, ये कर लेगी अपने आप। सिर्फ इसके बाल हमने घुंघराले किए ताकि वो और डरावने लगे कुछ चीज पे बस।
Please tell the audience why they should head to the theaters next week and watch this film.
To see Bhumi's biopic.
Please be serious a little bit.
नहीं यार, जाइए। हम बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में एंजॉय करते हैं, हम अलग तरह की फिल्में एंजॉय करते हैं। आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ दोस फिल्म्स दैट्स अ थ्रोबैक टू एन ईरा वेयर वी ऑल ग्रोन अप एंजॉयिंग फैमिली फिल्म्स। कॉमेडी है, रोमांस है, देयर इज इमोशन एंड it's a feel good film that you can go with your entire family, with your friends, have a good time. You don't need to keep your brains at home, but at the same time you're not going to get exhausted. So I think if it's one of those films that you want to just have a good time, please go and watch Mere Husband Ki Biwi for Bhumi's biopic.
Bhumi, do you want to add something? Please come watch my biopic.
अगर
Probably in Delon, जो तुम हो पिक्चर में, करो Delon, करो जरा। हाँ, करेक्ट। अभी आधा घंटा लगेगा सेटल होने में। दरख्वास्त करो ऐसे लोगों से, आइए प्लीज विनम्रता से आ जाइए प्लीज। हाँ
प्लीज आ जाना हमारी पिक्चर देखने, प्लीज बस आ जाना। आप बहुत हंसोगे, आई प्रॉमिस यू, और आपको बहुत मजा आएगा। बहुत सारा कलेश है, कंफ्यूजन है, रोमांस है।
आप स्माइल करके जाओगे वापस घर, ये गारंटी।
Yes, 100%.
Thank you so much. Lovely talking to you and all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.